Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Vivo V21e and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all we have to open the camera app, and here, since we're in the standard photo mode, we can take a look at this option bar here. We have to enter the settings which are in the right upper corner. And here, as you can see, we've got the countdown. So let's tap on it, and we've got 4 different options from which you can choose. So we've got off, 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So let me pick 10 seconds delay. Just let me tap on this option, and as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that after getting back to the camera and tapping on the shutter button, your device will count down from 10 or 3 or 5, whatever option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. And basically this is how it works. Of course, if you want to, you can turn off the timer whenever you want to, actually. Just tap on countdown again and tap on off. And from now on, your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to set the camera timer in your Vivo V21e. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.